Ayan guys, I made a bread today. This is my first creation. Mini bread. Ensaymada. Cutie. Yan. Cutie ensaymada. Soft dough siya. Soft dough. Ang ganda nung kinalabasan nung cheese. Yung cream cheese niya. Wala kasi akong makitang cheddar cheese kanina. Japanese cheese siya. Light cheese. Cheddar cheese sana kasi masarap. Guys, enjoy!